Welcome back to what I tasted for another recipe today, where I'm doing 31 days of Halloween. Today I'm going to be making potato croquette eyeballs. In this bowl I'm going to add mashed potatoes. They're on the stovetop cooking right now, with a quarter cup of nutritional yeast, with a couple tablespoons of flour, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt, and some pepper. Okay, so I'm going to add the potatoes, and I'm just going to mash the potatoes up with all of the seasoning as well. Alright, so that looks good. I'm going to let it cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to mash this into balls, and then I'm going to stuff it with an olive. Alright, so this is about a good size. I'm going to take an olive, stuff it right in like so, and then I'm just going to kind of use a fork just to add a little texture. Alright, and there's our first eyeball. So the potato croquettes are ready, and they look like eyeballs. So all that's left is to try it out. You know, it's like roasted potatoes. It's very flavorful. It's delicious. You get the nutritional yeast and the garlic coming through, which is absolutely fantastic. But yet it's soft to touch, but yet squishy, kind of like eyeballs. It looks fantastic. The sriracha sauce on there makes it look like it's like bloodshot eyeballs. You know, it's great. It's absolutely delicious, and it's a fun way to display some food on your table for this 31 days of Halloween. You know, check this out. Try this out. Let me know what you think about it. Check out some more recipes. I'm Jeremiah, your friend with Food Benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.